Guys, welcome back. We're going to do question 17 review today on your review game board. And today we're going to be looking at volume, and we know that volume is length times width times height. So let's take a peek and be sure to listen for the secret word. Carrie is the lead designer for the city's new aquarium. All the tanks in the aquarium will be rectangular prisms, where the lengths are whole numbers. Carrie knows that a certain species of fish needs at least 360 cubic feet of water in their tank. Create two separate tanks that hold exactly 360 cubic feet of water. Well, I know that 360, we could take off that 0 and it makes it 36, right? So can we think of facts that equal 36? Now, we know we could do a length times a width times a height, or we could do base times the height and find the volume. Length and width would make our base times the height. So what numbers could we do that would give us 36? Well, we could do 3 times 3 is 9, right? And then 9 times 4 would give us 36. We could do 2 times 9 is 18, and 18 times 2 is 36. We could do 3 times 4, which is 12, times 3, which is 36. You could choose a whole variety of things. Let's do another one. 6 times 2 is 12, right? Times 3 is 36. If our length was 6, our width was 2, and our height was 3, that'd be 36. Well, if we needed to equal 360, right, wouldn't we just make one of these add a 0? What if we added a 0 to that? So 30 times 3 would be 90. 90 times 4 would be 360. 20 times 9 would be 180. Times 2 would be 360. 30 times 4 would be 120. 120 times 3 would be 360. 60 times 2 would be 120. 120 times 3 would be 360. So you could pick any number of these, and we could also change it, and we could do 6 by 20 times 3 equals 360. You could move that 0 to any spot, and make a different number into a tens and equal that same thing. So you could pick any number of these and it would work. So I'm going to do 30 by 3 by 4 would equal 360 cubic feet of water, or I'm going to choose, I think I'm going to do this one. 60 by 2 by 3 would equal 360 cubic feet. So if you participated today, and the secret word today will be, I got it, product. Today's secret word is product. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed your review lesson today, and if you participated, go ahead and give yourself 1 point, and hope to see you tomorrow. Take care.